Hello students, welcome all of you in fourth part of hydrocarbons of class 11th chemistry. Learning objectives. In this video we will discuss about aromatic hydrocarbons, nomenclature and isomerism in aromatic hydrocarbons, structure of benzene, resonance in benzene, preparation of benzene, physical and chemical properties of benzene, directive influence of functional group in monosubstituted benzene, carcinogenicity and toxicity. In Greek, aroma means pleasant smelling, hence the names aromatic compounds given. Most of the compounds were found to contain benzene ring. Aromatic compounds containing benzene ring are known as benzenoids, and those not containing the benzene ring are known as non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Now let us take some examples of the arenes. This is benzene. This is toluene. This is naphthalene. This is biphenyl. Next is nomenclature and isomerism. When two hydrogen atoms in benzene are replaced by two similar or two different monovalent atoms or groups, then three different position isomers are possible. This is the first case, this is second, and this is third case. The 1,2 or 1,6 are known as ortho isomers. 1,3 or 1,5 are called as metaforms, whereas 1,4 isomer are called para disubstituted compounds. Hence, 1,2-dimethyl benzene is also called as orthoxylene. 1,3-dimethyl benzene is also called as metaxylene, and 1,4-dimethyl benzene is also called as paraxylene. Structure of benzene. Auguste Coquille in 1865 proposed the following structure for benzene with alternate double and single bonds and one hydrogen atom attached to each carbon atom. All 6 carbon atoms in benzene are sp2 hybridized. 2 sp2 hybridized orbital of each carbon atom overlaps with sp2 hybrid orbitals of adjacent carbon atom to form carbon-carbon sigma bond, and hence total 6 carbon-carbon sigma bonds are formed. These 6 carbon-carbon sigma bonds are present in hexagonal plane as shown in figure. The remaining sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlaps with s orbital of hydrogen atom to form carbon-hydrogen sigma bond. The remaining sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlaps with s orbital of hydrogen atom to form carbon-hydrogen sigma bond, and hence total 6 carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds are formed. Each carbon atom is now left with one unhybridized p orbital perpendicular to the plane of ring. Unhybridized p orbital of carbon atoms are close enough to form a pi bond by lateral overlap. This is one possibility, and this one is the other possibility of lateral overlap of p orbitals. X-ray diffraction data reveals that benzene is a planar molecule. X-ray data also indicates that 6 carbon-carbon sigma bonds, their bond length are of order 139 picometer, and this length is intermediate between carbon-carbon bond length of 154 picometer and carbon-carbon double bond of 133 picometer. Thus, the absence of pure double bond character in benzene accounts for reluctance of benzene to show addition reactions under normal condition. So it explains the unusual behavior of the benzene. Next is aromaticity. A compound is aromatic if it satisfies Huckel's rule, and there are 3 conditions under Huckel's rule. Number 1, molecule should be planar. Number 2, complete delocalization of pi electrons in the ring is must. And number 3, 4n plus 2 pi electrons must be present in the ring, where n is an integer. Its value may vary from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let's have a look on example of aromatic compounds. Benzene. Next is cyclopentadienyl aniline. Next is cycloheptatrienyl cation. Other examples are naphthalene. Here, if you put the value of n is equal to 2, then it satisfies the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, because naphthalene has total 10 pi electrons and it fits in 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. In anthracene also 4n plus 2 pi electron rule is satisfied. Here if you put the value of n is 3, then 14 pi electron is in accordance with 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. Similarly is the case phenanthrene. Now preparation of benzene. The first is cyclic polymerization of ethine. This we have already discussed in previous video. Next is decarboxylation of aromatic acids. When sodium benzoate is treated with soda lime, combination of sodium hydroxide and CaO is called soda lime. And when this sodium benzoate is heated in soda lime, then benzene is formed and sodium carbonate is formed as side product. Next is bi-reduction of phenol. Now, physical properties of aromatic hydrocarbons. Next is chemical properties. Aromatic hydrocarbons are characterized by electrophilic substitution reactions. However, under certain special conditions, they can also undergo addition and oxidation reaction. Here I am taking examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. A nitro group is introduced into benzene ring when benzene is heated with mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4, resulting into formation of nitrobenzene. Next is halogenation reaction. Arenes react with halogens in the presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous aluminum chloride or ferric chloride or anhydrous ferric bromide to yields haloarenes. Next is sulfonation reaction. When benzene is treated with fuming sulfuric acid, then benzene sulfonic acid is formed with loss of water. fuming sulfuric acid is also called as oleum. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, which also acts as Lewis acid, then alkyl benzene is formed. In this, the name of product is toluene. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When benzene is treated with acyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid aluminium chloride, then acetophenone is formed. Its common name is. Similarly, when benzene is treated with acetic anhydride, then again acetophenone is formed and acetic acid is the side product. Benzene on treatment with excess of chlorine in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride result into formation of hexachlorobenzene C6Cl6 and side product HCl is also released. Now we'll discuss mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. First step is generation of electrophile. In halogenation reaction, chlorine on reaction with aluminium chloride result into formation of electrophile named chloronium ion. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, methyl chloride on reaction with anhydrous aluminium chloride give rise to methyl carbocation, which act as electrophile. And in case of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, acetyl chloride on reaction with anhydrous aluminium chloride results into CH3 double bond O plus electrophile. Next step is formation of carbocation or rhenium ion. Attack of electrophile result in formation of rhenium ion in which one of the carbon is sp3 hybridized and other one contains positive charge. Now let me explain you how exactly this is happening. This is benzene and we all know that there is carbon hydrogen sigma bond on each carbon atom, and I am exposing only two hydrogens to make you understand. Now under the influence of this attacking reagent, which is electrophile, pi electron shifts, so result into formation of here carbocation and here electron rich center. On this electron rich center, this electrophile attacks and result into formation of rhenium ion. This rhenium ion is stabilized due to resonance. Next step is removal of proton. To restore the aromatic character, this sigma complex releases proton from sp3 hybridized carbon atom this carbon hydrogen sigma electron gets shifted and proton get released which combine with Cl negative of AlCl4 negative and forms HCl and aluminium chloride, and your product is formed. Next is addition reactions. Under vigorous condition, that is at high temperature or pressure, in the presence of nickel catalyst, hydrogenation of benzene give rise to cyclohexane. Next is benzene on reaction with chlorine molecule in the presence of ultraviolet light. Benzene produces benzene hexachloride. Its molecular formula is C6H6Cl6. Its commercial name is gamexene. Next reaction is combustion reaction. When benzene is heated in the presence of air, then it burns with sooty flame, producing carbon dioxide and water. Next topic is directive influence of functional group in monosubstituted benzene. When monosubstituted benzene is subjected to substitution reaction, then either ortho or para or meta product is predominantly formed. This behavior depends on the nature of substituent already present in the benzene ring, and this is known as directive influence of substituents. Ortho and para directing groups. The group which direct the incoming group to ortho and para position are called ortho and para directing groups. The electron density is more on ortho and para positions. Hence, substitution takes place mainly at these positions. Now, I'll be explaining you ortho and para directing groups along with their resonating structures. Hydroxy group in the phenol is the group which directs the incoming groups to ortho and para positions. So the hydroxy group will be called as ortho and para directing group. Now how OH activates the benzene ring for the attack by electrophile at ortho and para position? This I am going to explain with the help of these resonating structures. When the lone pair comes, here double bond is formed, and this bond pair of electron comes here in the form of lone pair. Next, lone pair attacks and forms carbon-carbon double bond, and next carbon-carbon double bond shifts to this bottom carbon, and in the next structure it appears as lone pair. And here, after the loss of lone pair, plus charge comes, here double bond comes. Now again lone pair further shifts and form pi bond, and this pi bond shifts to form lone pair in next structure. Now there will be no change on the position where there is no arrows, but here pi bond will come, and here pi bond will shift and will come in the form of lone pair. Now lone pair further forms bond pair, and the bond pair again in the next structure comes as lone pair on this oxygen atom. Here no change, and here double bond comes. So this is first resonating structure. This is second, third, fourth and fifth resonating structures. Now other examples of ortho and para-directing groups are amine. This is primary amine, secondary amine. This is amide group. This is OCH3 alkoxy group, methyl group, ethyl group, etc. This is also called methoxy group. Now we'll study meta-directing groups. The groups which direct the incoming group to meta position are called meta-directing groups. Some examples of meta-directing groups are nitro group, cyano group, aldehyde group, keto group, carboxylic group, ester group and sulfonic acid group. Now I'm going to explain meta-directing effect with the help of nitrobenzene. Nitro group reduces the electron density in the benzene ring due to strong negative I effect of NO2, and the shifting of electron from benzene ring to the substituent is also called as negative R effect. So because of this, the pi electron shifts toward nitrogen and pi electron between nitrogen and oxygen shifts on the oxygen. So due to shifting here, deficiency is generated, and here nitrogen carbon double bond is formed, and here single bond is formed, and here extra lone pair of electron comes. Now around oxygen atom total 6 electrons in the form of 3 lone pairs and 1 electron in the bonded form, that is 7 electrons are there, so oxygen carries negative charge. Here the shifting of pi electron toward the deficient center takes place. So plus charge shift to this side. This is the coordinate bond between nitrogen and oxygen, and here we will again write 3 lone pair of electron with negative charge. In the next resonating structure, pi electron shift to remove the deficiency of electron at this carbon. So the plus charge shift now to this carbon atom, and here double bond comes, and here 1, 2, 3 lone pair of electrons. Now in the next structure I'll explain in other color. Now to remove the crowd, I have deleted one structure. Now this bond pair of electron, this nitrogen carbon double bond pair of electron shift between these 2 carbon atoms 1 and 2, and 1 lone pair of electron shift here, so resulting into formation of double bond here, and here carbon nitrogen single bond, and here nitrogen oxygen double bond is regained, and now as it was in the beginning, only 2 lone pair of electron remain on the oxygen atom. So this is resonating structure number 1, this is number 2, This is third resonating structure, this is fourth, and this is the fifth one. In this case, overall electron density on the benzene ring decreases, thus making the further substitution difficult. So these groups are called deactivating groups. It is clear from resonating structures that electron density at ortho and para position is less than the meta position. Hence, the electrophile attacks on the comparatively electron-rich meta position, resulting in meta substituted product. Next topic is carcinogenicity and toxicity. Carcinogenicity means cancer causing. Benzene and polynuclear hydrocarbons containing more than 2 benzene rings fused together are toxic and said to possess cancer producing property. Such polynuclear hydrocarbon formed on complete combustion of organic materials like tobacco, coal, and petroleum. They enter in the human body and undergo various biochemical reaction and finally damage our DNA and cause cancer. The list of some carcinogenic hydrocarbons are shown here. 1,2-benzanthracene, and this is 1,2-benzpyrene, and this is the structure of 3-methyl-cholanthene. So dear students, we learned in this video the structure of benzene, aromaticity, preparation of benzene, physical and chemical properties of benzene. Then we studied directive influence of substitution of benzene, and finally we studied about carcinogenicity and toxicity. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Thank you.